In this video, we'll cover what is a canvas gallery wrap, followed by the production details, canvas edge and size, the type of coating available, and finally how to display and protect your canvas. What is a canvas wrap? Canvas gallery wrap are frameless modern prints. It is printed on a type of fabric material and stretched over a wooden frame. Note that we offer depth ranging from 3/4 to 3 inches. Canvas wrap are perfect to hang without frames. However, you can personalize it by adding a classic picture frame or pair the frame with a linen liner. Or frame your canvas in a folder frame made to frame canvas gallery wrap. We use inkjet printer to print on this fabric. Compared to paper prints, which can only be framed, this fabric allows the print to be stretched over a wooden frame, and it is an affordable option compared to framed prints. The results are similar to oil painting due to the material it is printed on. To print your digital photo on a canvas, you need to upload a high-quality image. You need to know the size of your final artwork. For example, the width, the height, and the depth of the canvas. Note that we offer depth ranging from 3/4 to 3 inches. Once you have uploaded and submitted your photo, our production team will review and print your canvas on an inkjet printer, which is specially designed to print on canvas material. Then the stretcher bar frame is built to a custom or standard size, and it is delicately stretched by hand. All the visible staples are taped with black or white cloth tape. We offer 2 styles of hanging hardware. One way is to hang is by using a sawtooth hanger. These are used for smaller canvas gallery wrap. Another way to hang is by using a wire hanger, recommended for a larger canvas wrap. Once you have all the following above, do note that we offer a variety of different styles of canvas edges that are available. Yes, that's a lot of options. Still unsure? Don't worry. We will help you choose the perfect edge that is best suited for your artwork. Our canvas gallery wrap can be customized to any preferred size. The smallest we offer is 6x6 and the largest we offer is 120 by 60. Canvases are available in 3 types of coating: semi-gloss, resin, and gel. Semi-gloss coating is applied to all canvases, and it is most commonly used coating for canvas prints, which protects the canvas from fading and discoloration over time. You also have the option to have a resin or a gel finish. The resin coating adds a thick layer of liquid. Once dried, a thin layer of crystal clear solid and a shiny layer is formed. Similar to resin, the gel coating creates a thin layer of clear texture on the print. This coating is commonly used to add texture to the artwork. Image-wrapped edge of the stretched canvas are great to hang without frames. However, if you're not a fan of frameless look, you have the option to frame your canvas print. One way is by using a standard picture frame to create a classic end look. You also have the option to add a linen liner and pair it with a classic frame. Another way is by using a floater frame compared to a picture frame. This allows you to display your artwork as it is without sacrificing the edges, giving your artwork 3-dimensional effect. How to protect your canvas. Keep your canvas away from intense light, like sunlight, and direct heat, such as fireplace or a radiator. It is best to display in a moisture-free environment. To clean your canvas, use a soft feather duster periodically to remove settled dust. Do not use any form of liquid, chemical, or spray to clean the canvases. For marks on the print, use a soft damp cloth to rub very gently over the affected area. due to the flexibility of the canvas material. It may get dimples from handling or during shipping. To remove these dimples, spray a mist of water into the back surface of the canvas and allow the canvas to dry and tighten over time. Canvas Gallery Wraps brings your digital photography to life. To place an order or for more information, visit ottawaoncanvas.com.